Hi, my name is Rich Culture with Definace Tools. I want to show you our new folding camp table. So, starts out flat like this, totally compact. Literally unlock it, pop it up. The legs lock out. And then you've got storage on the inside. It's got 3 shelves on the inside. Shelves actually come with hard liners as well to give you some rigidity to pack on. Work with that. Closure storage to keep pests out. The top is solid bamboo, so it's waterproof, and it's also, you can cook on it, prep on it, do all sorts of stuff like that. It'll hold 66 pounds. And then, again, when you fold it up, it just easily collapses down on itself. It does have feet for leveling it in case you're on uneven surface. And then the whole product actually packs up in a case like this. So it's in a storage bag. You've got 3 shelves and the table itself inside there. And that's available on our website at defiancetools.com.